A catalytic converter on a Nissan Sentra isn't exactly the most captivating part of your car, but it's ridiculously valuable, and not just in the keeps the air cleaner sense. If you've ever had one stolen, you already know it's worth about $1,300. This little stainless steel canister is basically an emissions bouncer. It takes the nasty stuff from your engine, like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, and turns them into less vile things before they escape out your tailpipe. May not sound heroic, but trust me, it does work wonders. People don't realize how crazy important your catalytic converter is until it starts to fail. The car will feel sluggish, the check engine light blinks at you, and sometimes you even get a strong rotten egg smell. You wonder, was it something I ate? Nah, it's usually the cat. There's also this surprising pain point. When your catalytic converter goes bad, your Sentra might start burning through gas faster than a wood stove in January. We're talking maybe 10 to 20% worse fuel economy, which adds up fast if you're commuting every day. Let's talk about theft. Nissan Sentras aren't in the top 5 for catalytic converter thefts, but they're up there. It takes a thief less than 3 minutes to jack up your car and cut it out with a saw. Boom, your morning is ruined, your exhaust sounds like a race car, and you're staring at a $1,000 repair. If you're thinking, can I just buy an aftermarket cat from Amazon for $120? Technically, yes. But most of the cheap ones burn out fast, and in states like California, you'll flunk your emissions test. You want a direct fit or OEM-grade converter if you don't want headaches. Swapping out a catalytic converter on a Sentra isn't exactly oil change simple, but if you have ramps, ratchets, and enough elbow room, it's doable. First, jack the car up and secure it on stands. Safety first, always. Locate the converter along the underbody between the engine and muffler. Unbolt the old catalytic converter. Usually there are 2 bolts up front, 2 in back, and maybe a heat shield to wrangle. Years of rust and Oregon rain, if you're me in Portland, can weld those bolts shut, so hit them with penetrating oil and patience. That's your pro tip for avoiding busted knuckles. New converter in hand, line up the flanges, replace any gaskets, and rebolt it. Torque everything to spec if you want peace of mind. If your Sentra uses O2 sensors near the cat, swap them over, because a leaking sensor ruins the whole clean air party. Here's a big value add. A fresh converter can mean passing emissions with flying colors and getting that green light at the DMV. You won't be stuck in inspection purgatory while you pay a week's salary for repairs because you tried to cut corners. If you want to actually prevent theft, consider a cat shield. It's a metal plate, about $200, that bolts over your converter, making it a serious pain for thieves. A hint, the cost is far less than your insurance deductible or a new converter. So the humble catalytic converter, easy to forget, impossible to ignore when things go wrong. Keep it intact, catch problems early, and you'll save money and stay out of that Towed for Emissions club nobody wants to join. That's the real car owner life hack.